Hey, it's Ryan with DV8 Offroad, and today we're going to be installing our Jeep JK Fastback Hardtop. This install should take about 3 hours, and we recommend having 2 people. In the box, you're going to get 4 foam corners, 6 M6x40 Phillips, 6 M6 serrated nuts, 6 nut plates, and 2 footman loops. The first step is going to be removing the factory soft top or hardtop. We've removed the spare tire to make install easier. We're going to start by cleaning all the dirt and debris from the factory hardtop or soft top. Next, we're going to open all the doors. Take off these footman loops with our T25 Torx head. Now we're going to install the provided footman loops utilizing the factory hardware. And the same thing for the other side. If your Jeep's a soft top, you're going to remove these plastic panels. We gotta unscrew the top. Did you want to get the unscrewing the top? Okay. And the rear window brackets. Now we're ready to install the hardtop. Now we're going to loosely install the hardware with your 6 provided nut plates. You're going to take your nut plate, and with the flat side facing up, you're going to insert it into the slot. We're going to loosely thread our bolt with the provided washer. Now repeat that step for the remaining 5 holes. While your hardtop's still loose, we're going to make sure we align it so it's flush in this area along both sides of the vehicle. Now we're going to tighten down the front of the back portion of the hardtop. The next step's very important. You're going to want to remove all the foam off the factory weather seal in the front and on the back. While you're doing this, it's important to make sure you don't rip the factory seal. After that, you're going to want to thoroughly inspect the factory weather stripping to make sure there's no tears. Now install the targa. Once the targa is on, make sure that it's firmly sealed along the bottom and back seal. Ensure that the targa is not peeling back the factory stripping along the windshield. Once the top's on and all the seals look good, you're going to start with the back latches. You're going to make sure that your latch is straight and making sure that it's tight on the footman loop. Pull down the lever to secure the latch. Once you're done with the rear latch, repeat the process for the front. Make sure while latching the front, you pull down on the front of the top along the window frame and latch the front latches. Ensure the latches are in a straight line with the footman loops before latching. Next, we're going to tighten all 6 of the rear hardtop bolts. Before you tighten the hardtop down, ensure that all your gaps and seals are equal on both sides. Finito. It's going to be quick. Ready? No. Here we go. Now we're going to want to thoroughly inspect the glass before we install it on the hardtop. Install the glass. Once there's a bolt in each hinge, attach the gas shocks to the mounts to help pull the glass up while you install the other hardware. Once the rear glass is installed, you're going to want to connect the positive and negative leads to the back window for the defroster. If your Jeep's equipped with a factory rear window harness, you can tap our defroster wires into that. If your Jeep came with no harness, then you'll have to wire your own switch. After the back glass is fully installed, we're going to make sure that the thin part of the seal is between the back door and the cab, and the thick part is going to be the part that seals from the water. We recommend checking your hardtop at 2 weeks and about 4 weeks to ensure that there's no leaking, to make sure that all the seals have meshed together properly. If leaking occurs, use the provided seal behind the factory seal on the doors to push the factory seal against the hardtop. Some of the most common leaking points are in the front doors. We hope this install video helps. Make sure to check those seals and also go to our website at DV8Offroad.com and check out all of our other awesome products for your Jeep JK. Me, mama, mo.